Where's my turn?
Turn is here. Count the time. Here is what. Hello, sir.
Hi, sir.
Okay, as you went there, so what was the reason?
I wanted to take my chance. That's why I came here.
Okay, so may I know that why do you want to take your chance?
As I am spending my money and I want to learn English, so I will have to take my chance. As I said that if we come here and we don't take chance, so we are wasting our time. So that's why I took chance today. And also I took chance in Monday and Tuesday.
You also took chance in Monday.
Yeah.
Okay, so may I know that why are learning spoken English?
I want to do job in private sector. That's why I am learning. I am learning English, but I am not sure that in which company I will do job because I have to wait to join private sector. First, I can start my business. I can start business with my brother. He is doing a financial. He's a
Okay,
financier.
so if you have not confirmed that which type company I will do a job, so who suggests you that you should learn spoken English?
I told you just now. My
So what do
my
you think
brother
that
is
with-
financier. He said to me that you if you learn English, so you can do job with me, and you will be partner in my business.
Okay, so what do you think that without English you can't do a job?
No, I can't do job. He said to me that you can arrange customer of any of other states. I can handle in my state that who can speak Hindi. I will handle them, and who can't speak Hindi, you will handle them.
Okay, do you
He
believe?
said to me.
Do you believe luck? Do you believe on luck?
Sometime I believe, but sometime I don't believe.
Okay, so can you tell me that why do you believe sometime or not believe?
I also don't know that why it because it's a humility that if we get some anything that we don't have accept that we can get, we think that it's a we get because of luck.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi sir,
Hi sir,
how are you?
fine, and you?
You said that you will work in a private company.
Yeah,
So what type of work you want to do?
I told just now I have two ways to join to do job in private sector. First,
Don't you have your own dream that I want to become this, I want to become like this?
I can do job in private company.
You can
If
do
I
job,
if
but
I don't if I will not do work with my brother, so
No,
I will do job in private company.
Most of the people have their dream that I want to become doctor. I want to do in this company. I want to.
I have also a dream.
Do
I
job
want
in
to
this
earn.
company.
I want to earn only money. I don't want to
Everyone wants to earn money in the
Yeah.
class. Everyone wants to earn money.
because you know very well
But
what the value
most
of
of
money.
the people have their dream, their goal. It doesn't matter they
I
achieve
also
or not.
told you that this is my dream. I want to earn much money, and I will.
It is.
If I earn
it is
much money, I
everyone's
will
dream.
help others.
This is not your only dream. It is everyone's dream.
So I have only.
Otherwise, you can ask to the other students. They also want to earn money. A lot of money they want to earn, but they have the specific dream by which they can earn a lot of money by investing in, by open their restaurant, by open their
Excuse me, sir.
shop, by doing a
Excuse
job.
me, please. May I show time?
No, only you have.
You have. You did not complete your time yet.
Can you please
Yes.
pardon, sir?
Don't you have proper goal? Everybody has his goal.
I have proper goal. I told you that
Daddy,
I
you
want to
said
earn money,
if-
and I will try best. I will try my best to earn money because I need much money.
Yeah.
And
How will you earn
I have
money?
not any other goal to this.
Earning money is not goal. How will you earn money? I know. Just you want to earn money a lot of.
As sir told us that what is goal and what is target. Sir said that if we want to achieve anything and we achieve, that is called our target.
And you
and
said
goal.
that you want to do a job in private sector,
Yeah.
in a private company. And on another hand, you said that you want to engage with your brother's business, which is related to financial.
Yeah.
So how both the things can run? On one hand, you say that I want to do a job. One hand, you say I will engage with my brother's business.
If I want, so I can handle both because if I do work with my brother, so there will be 10:30 to only 5 p.m.
What
And
type business
if I
your
will
brother
job
runs?
in private company, so there will be night.
What type business your brother runs?
He is a financer.
It mean really. I don't know the word financial. It mean I know the financial related to money,
Yeah.
right? It mean Does he provide the loans?
He makes provide loan from banks.
Banks. At when he works on like the on cut,
Yeah.
on percent, because if you give to loans others, so the company set the percentage that you will get
Yeah.
this much. Thank you. Nice to talk with you.